Hi there, food lovers! Today, I am going to share my take on Sinigang na Baka recipe. Alright, so let's start. For the ingredients, you will need First off is you're going to place your meat in a pot. Then you're going to add water. For all the exact measurements, it will be listed in the description box down below. Alright, then after that, you are going to add onions, ginger, and salt. Then you're going to cover this for about 15 minutes on a medium-high heat. After 15 minutes, you have to check it because you need to remove or take out the scum, just like what I'm doing here. And then after taking off the scum, you're going to let it boil for about 30 minutes. So it's been boiling for about 30 minutes. Next is add in your taro root. For the taro root, it is optional, so if you don't like it, then you can just leave it out. And then after that, you are going to add your tomatoes and chicken cube. Then you are going to turn this to a simmer for about maybe an hour or two until your meat is fork tender. Then you are just going to give it a quick stir. And then you are going to add in the sinigang mix. Okay? And then give it a good stir. Then you're going to add string beans. Cover and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. And then, lastly, you're going to add all the remaining ingredients like eggplant, bok chilies, and then cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it's basically done. So it's ready to serve. Lastly, of course, you are going to adjust it according to your desired taste. Thank you for watching.